So good evening, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. Good evening all. So now we have been discussing JEE Mains third mock test. So we have completed up to 17 problems. So now today we shall complete the rest of the problems. So 18th problem we shall start. 18th problem. Okay. Problem number 18. So mock test 3 JEE Mains. Or it may be useful for EAMCET also. Okay. 18th question. If the area bounded by the curves y is equal to 2 power x, y is equal to log x to the base e, x is equal to 1 upon 2, comma, x is equal to 2 is given by a plus b times log 2 base e plus c upon log 2 base e, then a plus b plus c equals to option 1 3 plus root 2, second one 3 minus root 2, third one 4 minus root 2, fourth one 4 plus root 2. Okay, Chalapati, welcome Chalapati. See, the area bounded by the curves y is equal to 2 power x. Appanna, welcome, good evening. Y is equal to log x to the base e. In between the lines x is equal to 1 upon 2, x is equal to 2 is given by a plus b log 2 base e plus c upon log 2 base e. Then we need to find out a plus b plus c values. So that means first of all we need to find out area enclosed between the two curves and the two lines. So then that is equated to a plus b log 2 base e plus c upon log 2 base e. Comparing on both sides we get a, b, c values. We need to add it. So that means actually first let us draw the graph. So 18 solution. So first you take the coordinate axis. So coordinate axis, this origin, see this will be the y is equal to 2 power x. Okay, now this is the, see, y is equal to log x to the base e. Okay, next, see, now half, that means this is x is equal to half, line parallel to say this is a half. Next 2, for example take 2 like this. You extend this graph. say this is 2. So this area we need to find out, this area shaded part. So this is x is equal to 1 by 2, this is x is equal to 2, in between y power 2x to log x. This upper curve is 2 power x, lower curve is log x to the base e. Upper curve minus lower curve, limits of to 2, we need to integrate it. So that means we get a required area is equal to required area equals to integral of to upper curve minus UC minus lower curve dx. So that equal to integral of to see upper curve is 2 power x minus lower curve is log x to the base e dx. Okay. So now let us find out 2 power x integral. 2 power x integral is 2 power x by log 2 base e limits of to 2. So minus the integral of this one log x to the base e log x into 1 dx. First here first function is log x, write down. Integral of dx is x minus derivative of log x is 1 by x and x dx. Again limits of to 2. So now we get this is equal to, so first upper limit substitute 2 square minus lower limit is 2 to the power of half, that is root 2 upon log 2 base e. So minus here 2 log 2, this will be 2 log 2 upper limit minus this will be integral of x minus 2 minus half log half and next half log half minus 1 by 2. Okay, half log half. Next you need to do like this, 2 log 2. Okay, first you do like this, 2 log 2 minus half log half plus this is 2. Actually upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1 by 2 because x is there. 2 minus half, 2 minus half, this is minus, this is minus. So let us simplify this one now. So now you get like this, 2 square is 4 minus root 2 upon log 2 base e minus of 2 log 2 minus of 2 log 2 base e minus that is plus half log 2 base e. Okay, minus into minus plus 2 minus half. So this is 4 minus root 2 log 2 base e. This is 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 4 plus 1 5 by 2 log 2 base e plus 3 by 2. So comparing actually here see, comparing this will be a, this will be a, so now this will be b, this will be b, so this will be a, c. So we need a plus b plus c value. A plus b plus c is equal to 3 by 2 plus b, b means minus 5 by 2, c C means plus 4 minus 2 root 2. So this will be minus 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 4 minus root 2. That will be 3 minus root 2 is the required answer. 3 minus root 2. Second option is the right option. Okay, 19th one. 19th question. The smallest and the largest values of tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x 0 degrees less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 1 are. So good evening Arjun Krishna. First option 0 comma pi, second option 0 comma pi by 4, third option minus pi by 4 comma pi by 4, fourth option is pi by 4 comma pi by 2. It's very interesting question. You see, first of all read the question. The smallest and the largest values of tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, domain is in between 0 to 1, the domain of this function, for example 0 to 1. That means smallest and largest means range of this function we need to find out. So first we need to simplify tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So within this domain we need to find out the range. Range means in that range the smallest value, largest value easily we can find out. So first, so let us consider f of x equals to tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. See, this is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. So please remember this one as. Okay, first year already completed Nana. Total available Bonu. See, f of x is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. So that means actually here first consider this domain. Domain is 0 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 1. Apply tan inverse. Tan inverse 0 less than or equal to tan inverse x less than or equal to tan inverse 1. That implies 0 less than or equal to tan inverse x less than or equal to pi by 4. So we need a negative. Negative means multiply negative sign on both sides. So if you multiply negative sign on both sides, inequality symbol reverses. 0 greater than or equal to negative tan inverse x greater than or equal to negative pi by 4. So now pi by 4 need to be added. It can be written reverse order also. It's equivalent to minus pi by 4 less than or equal to minus tan inverse x less than or equal to 0. Add pi by 4 to get f of x. So adding pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is 0 less than or equal to pi minus tan inverse x less than or equal to pi by 4. So that means f of x lies between 0 and pi by 4. So that means this is the smallest value, this is the largest value. So 0 comma pi by 4. So second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So just go to the Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. You will find all the first year topics. Now let us move to the 20th problem. 20th problem. If sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in geometric progression, then cos theta to the power of 9 plus cos theta to the power of 6 plus 3 cos theta to the power of 5 equals to first option 1, second option -1, third option 0, fourth option is 2. So what is the answer? Anybody? Could you try this question? Okay. See, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in geometric progression. Then we need to find out cos theta to the power of 9 plus cos theta to the power of 6 plus 3 cos theta to the power of 5 is equal to how much? See, you remember this condition. If A comma B comma C are in geometric progression, then B square is equal to AC. This is the condition. So that means this is A, this is B, this is C. Apply this condition. On applying this condition, what do you get now here? So we get cos square theta equals to AC sin theta into tan theta. Now sin theta into tan theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta. So multiply cos theta on both sides. So we get cos cube theta equals to sin square theta. This sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Say equation 1. For more than 3 values. What is that, Arjun Krishna? I couldn't get it. Manikhanta. Okay. What is the condition? Right. Now cos cube theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So cos cube theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta we have. So we need cos theta to the power of 9. So cubing on both sides. What is the condition? Okay, whatever it may be, but condition is 0 to 1 means definitely it's first quadrant. Cubing on 0 to pi by 2 only. Cubing on both sides. So we get cos cube theta whole cube equal to 1 minus cos square theta whole cube. See, this is a minus b whole cube formula. So this becomes cos theta to the power of 9 1 cube minus 3 times 1 square into b cos square theta plus 3 into 1 into cos square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole to the power of 6. Am I correct? Yes, thank you. So now this equals to 1 minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta to the power of 4 minus cos theta to the power of, this is 6 theta. So now you take this minus cos theta to the power of 6 this side. So we get cos theta to the power of 9 plus cos theta to the power of 6 From these two, take minus 3 cos square theta common. 1 minus 3 cos square theta common. Then you get 1 minus cos square theta. But you check here, this 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but cos cube theta. Replace this value here. Okay, so now you get like this, 1 minus 3 cos square theta into cos cube theta. So cos square theta, cos cube theta, if you multiply, you get 1 minus 3 into cos theta to the power of 5. Bring minus 3 cos theta over this side. So therefore we get cos theta to the power of 9 plus cos theta to the power of 6 plus 3 cos theta to the power of 5 equals to 1. So required answer is 1. Required answer is 1. First option. Now 21st problem. 21st problem. Let us move to the 21st problem now. If 2 sin x plus 5 cos y plus 7 sin z equal to 14, then 7 times tan of x by 2 plus 4 cos y minus 6 cos z equals to, first option 4, second option minus 3, third option 11, fourth option 5. Anybody? What is the answer? Just look at the screen, all of you. So you need to chart the answer. Which is the right option? Manikanta. Two sin x plus 5 cos y plus 7 sin z equals to 14. 7 tan of x by 2 plus 4 cos y minus 6 cos z is equal to how much? That we need to find out. Just by observation we need to get it. See, just keep like this. Suppose sin x is equal to 1, cos y is equal to 1, sin z is equal to 1. What do you get? 2 plus 5 plus 7. That is 12 plus 2, 14. Yes. So that means actually solution by observation we get sin x equals to 1 and cos y equals to 1, sin z equals to 1. So that implies x must be 90 degrees, pi by 2, y must be 0 degrees, z must be pi by 2. So substitute these values in this expression, you will get the answer. So now say this is a given expression. So the given expression, 7 times tan of x by 2, pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4, 45, plus 4 cos 0 degrees minus 6 cos pi by 2. Tan pi by 4 is 1, 7 into 1 plus 4 into cos 0, 1, minus 6 times cos pi by 2 is 0. So 7 plus 4 minus 0. 11 minus 0. Answer is 11. 11 is the desired answer. So that means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Option 4. No, not option 4. Option 3. Option 3. Right. 22nd question. 22nd question. A line drawn a line drawn through the point P of 4 comma 7 cut the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 at the points A and B, then PA into PB equals to first option 56, second option 74, third option 65, fourth option 53. See, a line drawn through the point P of 4 comma 7 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 at the points A and B. Then we are asked to find out PA into PB. What is the value of PA into PB? See, this is the circle, equation of the circle. So a line drawn through P4 comma 7 cuts at 2 points A and B. So this equation of the circle is S is equal to, say, like this: x square plus y square minus 9 equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Then we need to find out PA into PB. See, the PA, this is PA, this distance, this is PB. PA into PB we need to find out. See, by the concept of the circles, or by the concept of power of a point with respect to circle, we have PA into PB equals to S11. S11 is called power of the circle. S11 means, in this here left hand side, substitute this point S of 4 comma 7 we need to find out. This is the required one, that is S of 4 comma 7. So that means 4 square plus 7 square minus 9, that is 16 plus 49 minus 9. So that's equal to 16 plus 40, 49 minus 9. So 56 is the desired answer. 56. So first option is the right option. So we have very lengthy method if you use the parametric equations. The parametric equations of a line equation, and substituting in the circle we get a quadratic equation. So in a quadratic equation, PA into PB indicates product of the roots. So that takes very lengthy. So this is a very shortcut. The concept becomes shortcut. It's not a shortcut actually. Using concept, this problem easily cracked. Just only substitution. Third problem. If y equals to mx plus c is the normal to a point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, whose focal distance is 8 units. Then mod C equals to, or the value of mod C. First option 8 root 3, second option 2 root 3, third option 16 root 3, fourth option 10 root 3. Just go through this question, all of you. See, y is equal to mx plus c is the normal to a point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, whose focal distance is given. 8 units. Then mod c, this modulus of c value we need to find out. Okay, 23rd. So now let us draw the figure. This is the parabola. This is x-axis, say y-axis. Origin is the vertex. Okay, say focus S. This will be, you can write a comma 0. Let P be the any point. P of, you can write like this, 80 square comma 280. You join this SP, focal distance, this is 8 units. So this normal will be here like this. This is the tangent. So normal is drawn perpendicular to the tangent itself. Okay, now first here, go back. Y square is equal to 8x. So y square is equal to 8x means comparing to y square is equal to 4ax, 4a is equal to 8, a value is equal to 2. So now the p value becomes 8t square, 2t square, comma 4t. And next s becomes, focus becomes 2 comma 0. Right. So now let us find out now here. What is given? We have focal distance. Focal distance means SP. SP is equal to distance between S point and P point. SP is equal to 8. So SP square equals to 64, you can write. So that is A minus, A means 2 minus 2t square whole square, x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square, 0 minus 4t square equal to 64. Take 2 common, that is 4 times 1 minus t square whole square plus 16t square equal to 64. Divide by 4. So 1 minus t square whole square plus 4t square equal to 16. So it appears to be a minus b whole square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square plus 4ab is a plus b whole square. So 1 plus t square whole square equals to, you will be getting 16. So 1 plus t square is equal to square root of 16 you will be getting. Square root of 16 is equal to 4, you need to find out 4. Because it is a first quadrant mod c we need to find out. Take 4. So t square is equal to 3. T value will be root 3. T value will be root 3. Now equation of the normal write down. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal at p of t. That is, we can write y plus xt equals to, substitute y. Y is 280 plus 80 cube. So this will be c value. Y is equal to mx plus c. So this will be c. C is 280 plus 80 cube. That we need to find out. C, we need c. Mod c equals to 280 plus 80 cube. We know t value, a value. A value is 2. Let us substitute here. 4 into root 3 plus a. A is 2. T cube is root 3 whole cube. 3 root 3. 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3. So answer is 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Answer is 10 root 3. So option 4 is the right option. Option 4 is the right option. Right. Varam Shobharani. 24th problem. Let P comma Q comma R. Let P comma Q comma R be 3 statements. 3 statements. 3 statements. Then negation of P, R, Q and R is equal to Krishna Shobharani. First option, negation P and negation Q and negation P and negation R. Second one, negation P or negation Q and negation P or negation R. Third option, negation P and negation Q or negation P or negation R. Fourth option, negation P or negation Q or negation P and negation R. This problem is related to the mathematical reasoning. Very simple problem. P comma Q comma R, 3 statements. We need to find out this one. See, negation of P R Q intersection R. First let me explain this one. This P R Q intersection R can be written like this. Negation of, this can be written P R Q and P R R, you can write it. You remember like this. For example, say this is one statement, this is other statement. When you apply negation, what happens means negation of P R Q, this symbol reverses, or negation of P R R. Now this can be written negation P and negation Q or negation P and negation R. You check which is the right option now. Which is the right option? You check it now. Yes, mathematical reasoning chapter. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, 25th question. 25th. 25th. Probability of getting positive integral roots of the equation x square minus n equals to 0 for the integer n such that 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 40 is, this is the probability question. Right. First option 1 upon 5, second option 1 upon 10, third option 3 upon 20, fourth option is 1 upon 20. See, the probability of getting positive integral roots of the equation. So the probability of getting positive integral roots of the equation x square minus n is equal to 0 for the integer n. The n lies between integers 1 to 40. So now write down here. First we need to write how many integers are there in between 1 to 40. 1 to 40 means total we have 1, 2, 3 like that. N takes values like this. 1, 2, 3 and so on 40. That a sample space you can say. Yes, n of s is equal to 40 for this random experiment. So let us say E be the event of getting positive integral solution. Let us solve it. X square minus n equals to 0. Here x square is equal to n. X must be root n, but root n must belong to the integer. Integer means actually here, see, n values must be like this: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. It cannot take 7 square because 7 square is 49. It exceeds 40. So that means actually if you say E equals to possible here favorable outcomes: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on 6 square. That means n of E is equal to 6 cases. Out of 40, 6 are favorable. So required probability, you need to find out probability. P of E equals to n of E upon n of S. Am I correct? Right. Mission Master TVK. N of E is 6 upon n of S is 40. So 2 3 ja, 2 20 ja. 3 upon 20 is the right option or desired option. So third one. Yes, option 3. Option 3 is the right option. Okay, 26th question. mean of 100 items, mean of 100 items is 49. If it was discovered that 3 items 60, 70, 80 were wrongly read as 38, 22, 50 respectively. Then the correct mean is Abhijit. Okay, first option is 48, second option is 78, third option is 50, fourth option is 80. Okay, while calculating the mean of 100 items, it was found that, thank you, it was found that, so instead of 60, 70, 80, they were taken as 38, 22, 50 and calculated mean 49. That means 49 is the wrong mean. So we need to find out the correct mean. So that means these are wrong items, these are the correct items. So first actually you find like this. First correct sum find out. Correct sum equals to 60 plus 70 plus 80. They are the correct items. They ought to be selected. So 80 plus 70, 150 plus 60, 210. Wrongly taken, wrong sum. I will give the shortcut, don't worry. Wrong sum is 38 plus 22. This will be 60 plus 50 is 110. Now wrong mean. This is the wrong mean, 49. N, number of observations, 100. Now correct mean you need to find out. Correct mean is equal to question mark. Yes, 50 is the right option. So that means we have the shortcut formula like this. Correct mean is equal to wrong mean plus correct sum minus, okay. This also useful for EAMCET 2021, Nana. Wrong sum by n, number of observations. So go back. What is the wrong mean? 49 plus correct sum. Correct sum is 210. Wrong is 110. So 210 minus 110. Number of observations is 100. So 49 plus 210 minus 110 is 100 upon 100. So 49 plus 1, 50 is the correct mean. So tomorrow evening 6 o'clock it will be decided. Tomorrow evening it will be decided. But moreover, this time there may be chance of 4 times appearance is there. Okay, Sai Kumar. So evening it will be decided by our Honorable Education Minister of our country. Twenty-seventh. if alpha comma beta are the if alpha comma beta yes if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square minus x times 3 plus 2 to the power of log 3 to the base 2 minus 3 to the power of root of log 2 base 3 . So already last year EAMCET total EAMCET syllabus completed. So this is the revision. Actually you could go through this series, mock test series. You will get good marks in the examination. So minus 2 times 3 to the power of log 2 base 3. This is very big question but very easy question. Minus 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2 equal to 0. Then alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square equals to first option 3, second option 5, third option 7, fourth option 11. Okay. So I will tell you. So one shortcut. So remember all of you, one hint or shortcut also. See, a to the power of root log b minus b to the power of root log a is 0. You remember. And moreover, a to the power of log n to the base a is n. With the help of this problem can be solved. So now this part becomes 0. This part becomes 0. This part becomes 2. So this part becomes 3. Now the equation is x square minus 3 plus 0 of x minus 2 times 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So now the equation becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. That means alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2. We need alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. 1 plus alpha beta, 1 into 2, 2, beta square is 4. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So desired answer is 7. Third option. Yes, Jyoti. Third option. $28. If y is equal to 10 power x is the reflection of y is equal to log x to the base 10 in the line is, First option, x plus y is equal to 0. Second option, 10x minus y equals to 0. Third, x minus 10y equals to 0. Fourth, x minus y is equal to 0. Yes, this is for JEE preparation. So y is equal 10 power x is the reflection of y is equal log x to the base 10 in the line. That means with respect to which line, both the curves are inverse functions. Both the functions are inverse functions. So that means actually line of symmetry we need to find out in this case. So observe, we need to draw the graphs for this one. So this is the actually graph of y is equal to 10 power x. Graph of y is equal to 10 power x. The 10 power x cuts y-axis, this y-axis at 0, 1 and infinitely it goes. This is the graph of 10 power x. Now next graph you see, this graph is y is equal to log x to the base 10. This is 1, 0, cuts on x-axis. So now this is the graph of both. This is y is equal to 10 power x. This is y is equal to log x to the base 10. This equation is y is equal to x. See, this is the image of this with respect to this line. This will be the image of this one with respect to this line. So this y is equal to x is symmetric with respect to both curves. Therefore answer is what? X minus y is equal to 0. X minus y is equal to 0. So fourth option is the right option. Otherwise you can draw figure also like this. So this is the y is equal to 10 power x. You might have seen just now. This is y is equal to log x to the base 10. This is the line y is equal to x. So reflection in the line y is equal to x. So x minus y is equal to 0. Option 4. Okay, we shall continue tomorrow. Mock test and remaining 2 problems we shall discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.